Today, I am excited to take you a journey through GastroGoods, an innovative next-gen-based e-commerce system that seamlessly integrates cutting-edge technologies to deliver superior online shopping experience. My name is Lakpur, and I am ecstatic to guide through the key expectation of this platform. So let's see the homepage. We are dividing into building a dynamic project showcase on a React-based homepage. Our setup involves key technologies such as React, TypeScript, and type safety. Tailwind CSS for styling and Next.js for seamless rendering the components, including a generic container for the layout contents. A hero image slider for the product banner and product card for individual product display. We fact product using the get product function handle cases where no products are found a null data component and spice things up with Fisher yet suffer for the random product order. The layout is keep clean and responsive with Tailwind CS. I invite to Vinodya to continue this presentation. Thank you.
Thank you, Dilaka. You can see the latest login page of our GastroGoods website. Fortunately, we were able to present in a simple and creative way that anyone of any age can easily use. Users can register for this by entering their email address and password. The file created to your name and the size if you have selected a leather item, and the top will be displayed. A searching box is used for the user's convenience to select a product. This is definitely a web page that provides you services very easily. I will give my friends the opportunity to continue the presentation. Thank you.
Thank you, Vinodya. I'm excited to present the shopping cart feature. First, customer being able to easily add the product to their cart. A simple click on the add to cart button. Upon reaching the shopping cart, customer can view of their selected items. To enhance user control, I have incorporated plus and minus button for quantity adjustment. As customer modify the quantity, the total price dynamically adjusts. Customer can remove product from cart by clicking remove button. If customer decides to start fresh or reconsider their choices, a clean cart button is available. If customer want to explore the more product, customer can click the continue shopping, then customer back to home page. Customer want to check out the products, customer can click the checkout button. In the development part, the section is a React component written in TypeScript and Next.js. It begins with several important statements, including custom and third-party models, such as use card for managing the shopping cart, state queries. UI component like heading and button are utility functions such as format price. The components named cart client take a current user from type safe user. Now, event handling is whether a user is logged in directly them to either checkout page or the login page currently accordingly. Thank you. I hand over to continue this presentation. Dulanjana.
Thank you, Chetana. Now I explain how to payment gateway works. First we look how it works. In the checkout form, you fill your details and enter credit card numbers. After then, your payment is success and your order is placed. Now I explain the code section. In the checkout form, development highlights as a well-organized TypeScript components that sensitively integrate with the script API for transaction processing, utilize essential dependencies like the features user-friendly form for address payment input utilizing Stripe address element and payment elements. The total amount is displayed in a readable format and loading state prevalent use element hooks. Then component payment submission thought Stripe confirm payment including success toast and updates card state open payment confirmation. The configure as address element and payment element and just the user experience traveling the format of specific countries, shipping detail, and capturing payment information throughout the table layout. In Sense checkout form, Sense seamlessly integrates with the Stripe employees custom hooks and offer inactive checkout experience. Now we look the checkout client. Checkout client React component, a critical player in our application. They seamlessly handles the client-side task during checkout, built on the custom user card hook, Stripe React element, and the Stripe API library. It employs Next.js navigation to React hooks efficient state management, working along the checkout form. It ensures comprehensive payment from expense experience. The component streaming Stripe configuration with Stripe promise actively managing states like loading error, client secret, and payment success for dynamic user interface. Payment instant initials involves elaboration use card hook for product and intent confirmation making post request create intent and updating state according careful configuration for Stripe element enhance the payment experience and the efficient handling of the payment success ensure smooth process integrate rendering display checkout form within the element context only when necessary, providing clear and innovative user journey. In summary, checkout client excels in the managing client-side aspects, communicating with the server and delivering the secure payment experience. Now I check the router.js. In presenting Type's script implementation of serverless function designed for the handling post request serverless environment like Next.js API routes, this code seamlessly process payment using the Stripe API while updating order information and database, potentially using Prisma for ORM operation. Key features include Stripe library integration, Prisma for database operation, and Next response for serverless function responses. The code configures the Stripe interest calculation and the total order amount and dynamically handle the payment intent update or innovations based on the provided information. In summary, this serverless function efficiently integrate the Stripe managed database operation and the organization's payment interface in the comprehensive and secure manner. Thank you. Now I invite Madhav to continue the presentation.
In the Manage Product page, there are 7 sections: ID, name, product, category, brand, in stock, action. In this page, all items shows stock in web. We can delete product, clicking delete option. In the visible option, we can see the products. All added details are shown on the web in this page. In the code section, the provide code defines React component, name manage product client, tailored managing and displaying a list product in a user interface. Beginning with the directive possible related specific context or tool, the code imports essential modules and components, such as product from Prisma client representing a product entity, material UI, data grid called def for rendering data grid, and various icon from React icon MD. The component expecting an array of product object as a prompt transform this data into suitable format for rendering within data grid. It configures the column of the grid with specific properties, including custom rendering functions. The component incorporates 2 event handlers, handle, toggle stock, and hand delete, both utilizing the use callback hook for server request using Axios. The former toggles the stock status of a product, triggering a UI refresh, while the latter handles the deletion of the product accompanied by user notifications. In rendering the component structure, the main UI heading a configure data grid component from material UI. The grid supports checkbox selection, and other properties. Finally, component is exported for use in other parts of the application. Overall, this TypeScript written React component is likely part of a larger application, provide user-friendly interface for managing product data within features such as stock status toggling and deletion. In Manage Order Products page, there are 7 sections: ID, customer name, amount, payment status, delivery status, and date actions. In this page shows all customers or products from the website. In this page shows all records of the customers. The delivery status, about, and visible option are shown in this web page. Fourth section of this page, the manager order client component is designed for order management within a web application. It utilizes Prisma for database entities, order and user material component, custom utilize functions, React components, and icons from React icons MD. The component takes a prop containing an array of extended orders where each order is entered with user information. It transforms this data into format suitable for display in a data grid component with columns representing all details. Actions like dispatching and delivering orders are handled through callback function, handle dispatch and hand deliver. Delivering Axios for server communication, the component provides a visually organized interface for users to manage orders, complete with responsive and interactive data grid layout. Thank you. Next, I hand over this presentation to Viharshi.
Thank you. I'd like to speak about the product rating of our GastroGood's website. The product rating in an e-commerce system typically represent the aggregated feedback given by customers based on their experiences with the product, usually displayed as a set of stars. This rating serves as a quick reference for potential buyers, offering insight into the overall satisfaction levels and quality perception of the product among previous purchases. The code defines a React component called add_rating. It handles the submission of product rating based on certain conditions. It manages the from state using React hook from and controls the loading state via use state. The component employs conditional rendering. It only displays a form to rate the product if the user excites. The product is available and specific criteria are met. It uses material UI components like rating and input of user introduction and form input. Upon submission, it sends the rating data to an API endpoint using accesses and handles success of area message via toast, ensuring only eligible user can submit rating. The list rating component in React displays the product's review in a structured manner. It imports necessary component for avatars and headings and handles date formatting. The list rating component in React displays the product's reviews in a structured manner. It imports necessary component for avatars and headings and handles date material formatting. When provided with the product object, it checks if there are reviews associated with it. If reviews exist, it shows each review's details: user avatar, name, creation date, rating, and comment. These details are organized in a list format, separated by a horizontal line, creating a clear presentation of the products. Reviews within the user interface. If there are no reviews, it doesn't display anything. Thank you.